CryptoMac and we are watching crypto with CryptoMac. Hope you guys are doing great today. Before going to this video, please like this video and also subscribe this channel or to support this channel. So today we are going to see our two important projects, that is two important DeFi projects from Polkadot. So one is live and one is in testnet phase. Let's see how it works in the future. And one more thing I have to discuss is Bitcoin price. So it's moving it's like moving up and up, and Bitcoin is doing amazing things. We are going to see that one. We are going to analyze that. We are going to do technical analysis for Bitcoin, and let's see how it's in a crucial phase actually, and it's in the final phase of resistance level. So if this breaks, and we can expect directly to $20,000, that is all-time high, and lots of updates are going for Bitcoin. So let's see how it happens in the future. So stay tuned and let's dive into this video. First of all, we can do a market analysis in CoinGecko. Let's see the past 24 hours top 10 coins performance. And if we see in the top 10, you can see the top gainer is Bitcoin, guys. 5.3% in past 24 hours. So 5.3% in the past 24 hours. So in the top 10, Bitcoin is stealing the show. So you can see the Bitcoin is staying at $13,789 and about 13,700 to 900 is an important crucial level. So if it breaks, we can expect the price directly go above this. And we have Bitcoin 5.3% up, Ethereum 3.2% up, XRP 1.7% up, Binance Coin 0.6% up, Chainlink 1.2% up, Polkadot minus 1.4%, Litecoin 5.2% up, Bitcoin SV 1.3% up. So overall, almost the top 24 hours, in the top 10 past 24 hours performance, most of them are bullish, and Bitcoin is really bullish, guys. Bitcoin is really bullish, and 7 days 15.8%. It's crazy. It's going up and up without cooling down. But we can expect a smaller correction in the future. And in the past 24 hours gainers, if we see Aragon 17.6% up, Nexo that we have 16.7% up, Energy Web Tokens 13.6% up, Ocean Protocol 8.5% up, Compound 8.4% up, Bitcoin 5.3% up. So wrapped Bitcoin 5.3% up. So these are the coins that are in the past 24 hours top gainers. If we see past 24 hours top losers, minus 7%, RV, Nano minus 4%, RV minus 4%. Everything is below 5%, guys. So there is no losers, and quite market is bullish. And we are going to see next what we are going to see is we are going to see the Bitcoin price. So this is that. We have been discussing about this level, this triangle, it broken that, and what we have been expecting is, so this is the important resistance, that is $12,000. It broke like with a huge volume, huge potential. Then it directly went in the day candle. It directly went from 11,900 to directly to 12,000. Directly around $13,000, 13,200. So in one day, it's like $1,000, more than $1,000. Went to 13,200, and this is one of the resistance. And after that, it had a little cool, and we can see in the 4 hour. If we see, it forms another triangle, and another triangle. It broke that triangle again. It is going in this region. This is the important zone and important resistance zone. It has to broke this level now to move up. So that is between 13,700 to 13,900 range. It's a crucial level because let's go to one daily chart. Now here you can see here that is it's in a crucial phase. See in the daily time frame, it was around, this is the last high during 2019 June. This is the last high, the last resistance. After that, we have this. These are the resistance that is during the previous bull run. But this is the final resistance after the crash from the 2017 bull cycle. Then we had a small up. It's from 3,000 to we had a 13,000 run. Then we have dropped significantly. So this is the important resistance zone, and we are entering this resistance zone again. So it's quite important zone, and if this breaks, we can expect a further movement towards $17,000. It is acting as a small resistance also. It will be acting as a small resistance. Then we have $20,000. So that's all, guys. There is no much resistance above this level. So it's a crucial run. It's a crucial time for Bitcoin, and you can see the chart how it behaves. Actually, it looks like now we can draw an Elliott wave using a different one. What we can expect is this as a 1 single 0 to 1, and this 2 1 to 2, and this will be acting as a 3. I thought first we have been drawing this as a 3, then we can expect a correction until the $12,000, then it can move up. But now we can expect this will be the third wave, and we can expect the third. Wait a minute. We can expect this 101 to third wave up breaking this level, and then we can expect small correction of correction, that is the retesting of this level, $13,900. Then it can move up. So move up to this, that is $17,000 level. So let's see how it behaves in the future. But this is what I'm expecting. And but another one we can expect is we can expect a rejection from this level, and it can drop to this level again, or it can drop to this $12,000 level again, because there is no you can see that there is no that is correction over this run completely. It's moving up and up. So in order to cool down, we can expect this is one of the expectations, this is one of the prediction, that we can break this level, that is $30,900 level, and it can have a retest of this level, that is the $13,900 level. It can retest this level, and then it can move up, or else it can stay between these two levels, that is there will be a rejection over this resistance, and it will be moving along with this area. Then sometimes it will be having a breakout, or sometimes we will be having some correction towards this level, that is $12,000 level. So let's see how the price can move further. But now if you see, it's bullish, guys. Bitcoin is bullish, it's still bullish. So that's all for Bitcoin price analysis. Now we are going to see two projects, that is two DeFi projects from Polkadot. And one more thing I have to specify is all the project in the PolkaProject is it's not assured that it will be live on Polkadot. That is one of the important thing, because this is an open source, anyone can post, anyone can add, and you have to have a look on these Web3 Foundation grants, whether it is there and these projects are there. And one more thing is whether it is live on Polkadot ecosystem. So, and today we are going to see two other DeFi projects, that is Stafi. One is Stafi and other one is Bifrost Finance. So these are two different DeFi projects, and their way of doing DeFi is a little bit different. Liquid your staking assets. So it's they are providing liquidity for the staked assets. So it is different compared to all of the DeFi. Let's see the first one, Stafi. And actually it is live. The mainnet is live for Stafi. It's live on Polkadot. So this is that one. And before seeing this, let's see the token of Stafi. Stafi is the token ticker is FIS, and it's now staying at $0.5. So $0.5, and its maximum supply is, you can see, this is the maximum supply, and it's around 100 million. The supply is 100 million. Maximum, it's a maximum supply, and we can see the price. All-time high is $2.7. That is during the launching time, mainnet launch time, and it drastically it's in a downward trend. You can see that it's going downwards, and it's now down from all-time high is, that is 82% down from all-time high. So this is the price, and let's see the main thing, that is what is Stafi. So Stafi staking finance, short form for Stafi is that is Stafi, which is short for staking finance, the first DeFi protocol unlocking the liquidity of staked assets. So it is unlocking the liquidity of staked assets. So you can see here, liquefy your staked asset. You are using staking contracts to make your staked assets liquid and tradable R token, that is a reward token, to hedge against the market volatility and while still earning rewards. So it is different from other DeFi projects. You can see here the more information they have specified. First, what is Stafi? Stafi is the first DeFi protocol unlocking the liquidity of staked assets. Users can stake POS tokens through Stafi and receive R tokens in return. So users can stake this POS token, that is proof of stake tokens, through Stafi, and receive R tokens in return, which are available for trading while still earning staking rewards. So while earning staking rewards, the users will be receiving R tokens in return for POS token. That R token can be tradable. And you can see what is R token. R token is short for reward token. When users take POS tokens through Stafi, they will receive an equal amount of R token in return. For example, they have given example. So R atom is a cosmos. So for example, R atom represents the staked atom. So for example, if you have staked 10 atom, then R atom will be users will be given 10 R atom. represents staked atom, while RXTZ Tezos represents staked Tezos. So R token allows a user to receive staking rewards and access liquidity at any time by trading R tokens directly. So you can also trade R tokens directly. Users also have right to redeem the corresponding amount of staked tokens at any time. So users also have the right to redeem the corresponding amount of your staked tokens at any time. So this is how it works. And what is FIS? FI is the native token on Stafi chain. So that is a native token on Stafi chain. FI is required to provide security to the network by staking. So it's providing security to the network by staking, pay for transaction fees, or it also acts as a transaction fees for Stafi chain, mint and redeem R tokens. How to liquefy my staked assets? So you can stake your POS token through staking contracts built by Stafi. All you have to do is use the tool to stake your POS token, and you will receive R token in return, which can be exchanged and traded on DEXs and centralized exchanges in the near future, as well as integrated in other DeFi protocols. So they are still working on. It's not at live. It's the mainnet is live, but regarding these features, they are still working on. So once these are available, once these features are available, what you can do is you will be staking your assets, and for the staked assets, you will be getting the same amount of R tokens, that is reward tokens, in terms of for the staked assets. So this reward tokens, this R token can be traded in any of these decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges, and also you will be receiving receiving reward for the staked assets. That is regarding either you will be getting a yearly reward for the staked assets also. This is how it looks, and it's working good, and it looks good compared to the other DeFi protocols, because this is a little bit different compared to other DeFi projects. And how to trade R token? R token is planned to be listed on both DEXs and centralized exchanges. For example, trading pairs like R dot and USDT would be enabled to bring liquidity to stakers. So how it will be in the future is, they will be, for example, if you are staking dot token, then you will be getting R dot, right? So if you want to liquefy that R dot, if you want to get liquidity, what you have to do is there will be two pairs. For example, there will be two pairs. One is for R dot and the original dot, and the next one will be R dot and USDT. So these two pairs will be enabled in order to liquefy your R tokens. So this is how it works, and it's still working on. The mainnet is live, and one of the important things you have to see is this one, whether it is on Polkadot project, it is going to be live on Polkadot. What you have to see is this one, that is grant from Web3. Stafi received the support from Web3 Foundation. So project supported by Web3 Foundation grant program and substrate. So Web3 Foundation is very much important in terms of whether the project is going to be live on Polkadot, because this is one of the important foundation which is running the Polkadot ecosystem. So this is one of the important project, and it gets grant from Web3. And one more thing, what is more important is it is live. Actually, the mainnet is live. It is live on Polkadot. That is the most important thing. This is not a test networks, and it's a main live networks. So it's live on Polkadot. That is the most important thing. And the way of they dealing the DeFi is a little bit different compared to other project. And next project what we are going to see is Bifrost. So Bifrost Finance, it is also doing a little bit same kind of thing, and you can see here a parachain designed for staking liquidity. So same thing, I will be getting staking liquidity. There is a parachain designed for staking liquidity and security competition. So Bifrost is here. You can see here this is a normal staking token, the Bifrost and V token. So staking token, you will be getting only staking reward, right? The normal thing. So if you are in terms of Bifrost, we will be getting V token, that is staking rewards, DeFi exchange, DApp, and cross chain. All the other things you can do. So there is no much information about this project in this website. They will be updating it soon. Because it's in a testnet phase actually. You can see here hedge and inflation, prevent devaluation of staking asset, no lockup positions, double rewards, get staking rewards and DeFi interest at the same time. So you will be getting both rewards. One is you will be getting staking rewards. Another thing is you will be getting interest, that is DeFi interest at the same time. Leverage, use V token lending leverage to expand staking principle. This is I didn't get it actually. So let's see how they bring this one, and this is a new one, leverage, that is use V token lending leverage to expand staking principle. So it's a new one. Let's see how they are bringing this one. Features: transparent, all behaviors operate transparently on parachain. Okay, governance, business parameters can be adjusted through democratic governance. Cross-chain, support cross into other chains, that is through Polkadot relay chain. It's a interoperable one. Fully backed, 100% backed for staking, no risk of principal loss. fungible. No matter which validator you're staking with, you will receive V token and reward. So this is a fungible one. Unlimited, compatible with centralized and decentralized settlement scenario. So these are the features, important features of Bifrost. And it's mentioning the layer between staking and application. So it acts as a layer, that is Bifrost parachain. Between parachain DeFi DApp DEX and Bifrost parachain will be there. We have staking and base layer protocol. This is how it works. And the roadmap still working on, and it's still in the testnet phase. Mainnet have not launched. So 2020 Q3. They're still working on. Q4 is taking drop. Everything will be launched soon. So launched mainnet is in this quarter. Let's see when they are launching this mainnet. And the token is not yet released. That is regarding this Bifrost token. It's not yet released, not yet listed, and let's see when they can list it. And if you see the supporters partners, you can see it's huge partners are there. Lots of companies, as in as NGC Ventures is there. So lots of partners are there. And the grant Web 3.0 bootcamp, Web 3 Foundation grant program is there. So this is important in terms of getting a Polkadot, because it is supported by Web 3 Foundation grant program, which means it comes under Polkadot. And these are cooperators, services from Polkadot, Ethereum, Cosmos, Kusama, and EOS.io and IOST. So these are about these project, that is Bifrost, and you can see it is in a testnet phase. Testnet works, Ashgard CC3, and this is a test network. And this is the Bifrost Finance. So both comes under this, what you can say is both comes under Polkadot Web3 Foundation. And if you want to see some of the wave, that is you can see here some of the accepted grant applications. So in GitHub you can see here in GitHub general grants program, master grants, accepted grant application. There are 8 waves from starting from first quarter of 2019 to fourth quarter of 2020. So lots of projects from the wave 1 and lots of projects in the wave 2. So you can see Robonomics is there. And what are the other projects we have seen? So wave 3, you can see certain projects. Doc is there. Centrifuge, Fala Network. Wave 4, we can see is Stafi protocol is there in the wave 4. Accepted grants, Cardena is there. And wave 5, Bifrost is there. You can see EOS interoperable bridge. So EOS interoperable bridge, Bifrost is there. So these are the projects, and let's see one. Crust network is there in the wave 6. Crust network, Fala network. So these are the things. They have got some grants. So you can have a look on this one, GitHub. So that's all for this video. We have discussed about 2 important projects, that is Stafi and Bifrost Finance. These projects are dealing DeFi in a different way, and let's see how it grows in the future. And these are 2 important projects that are dealing the DeFi in a different way, that is staking finance. So that's all for this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please smash the like button and also subscribe this channel to support this channel. I'll see you guys in another video of Crypto with CryptoMac. Until then, signing off, CryptoMac. See you guys.